Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys were expecting this. I didn't even really decide that I was going to do this till this morning, but we are doing Vlogmas this year. It's really bright out here. I was going to film our breakfast this morning because we have our friend Joel staying with us, and he was in a previous vlog like last year, and he is an ex-chef and he makes really yummy food, and he made us, well, I made my own breakfast, but it was something that he taught me how to make and it's really good, but we've already eaten. So today is the 1st of December. I've just put my Christmas pajamas from last year that I bought at the Christmas sales in the wash. We're going to be putting up the Christmas tree today. And we're going to go to Krispy Kreme, eat some Christmas donuts because we're taking Joel to the airport. I'm squinty because it's really bright out here. It's funny because I was actually going to start weekly vlogging this week. Me like getting back on track of like not being a lump. I have put on like at least 6 kilos since like the start of this year. You can probably see in the reflection. Which is like fine, but it's just because I like got out of routine, and then we just had a winter of eating everything and I don't really like it. So yeah, even though it's December, probably like the worst possible month to decide that I want to be healthy, I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to take you guys along with that every day during Vlogmas. Today obviously isn't the first day that I'm starting because I'm going to have donuts, but tomorrow I will be starting. Other than the donuts, today will be fine. But yeah, I just thought I'd keep you guys posted. It's really sunny, but then like really stormy over there. This is our outdoor area, by the way. Yeah, it's very nice. Anyway, I'm going to go for a bit. We're going to go shopping. Need to pick up some stuff for Black Friday. I'll show you guys what I get when it arrives throughout Vlogmas, because I bought everything online. Krispy Kreme! I would have shown you more, but rude stuff is being said in the car. Oh my god. This is where dreams are made, you guys. Stunning. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. So many donuts.
No, ice the side that's got like the grooves on it and sitting on the mat.
Oh yeah. Look at all of these. Stunning. Getting that one, that one, that one, and that one. Happy Vlogmas! We just got back from Krispy Kreme. Well, we just got back from the airport dropping my friend off and everything. I thought I would try one of these donuts. I'm probably going to have like, I don't want to eat all of these today. I don't know why I bought 4, but I wanted to try all the Christmas ones. So I think I'm going to start with the Christmas tree. Nah, the snowman. This is what the snowman looks like. My one's kind of like munted, but I think it's supposed to be raspberry or something. It's definitely raspberry jam. That's really yum. Wow. I mean, it's like a sour rope. I like this a lot. I wasn't gonna eat the whole thing. This is really yummy, so I might finish this. And I'll toast the other ones with you guys. Probably either today or tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow I'm really excited because I'm going to be starting. We're not eating any more of this crap. I know, I feel like I say this all the time in my vlogs. Well, when I was doing vlogs, I said this a lot. I was like done doing this and doing that, but on Wednesday I'm going to start measuring and weighing myself again. I just want to see, I want to lose a couple of kilos, just because I know like my body can, like I've been this way before, but I know that I don't feel confident at this weight. I don't feel comfortable at this weight. I'm more sluggish. I know this is not where my body naturally should be, so I'm just going to see where this takes us. I don't really have any goals yet. I'll compare my weight and my measurements that I am on Wednesday, which will be like a couple of vlogs from now, to what I used to be, and we'll talk about that then. But yeah, for now I'm going to enjoy my donut, my last day of eating stuff like this for a while, and I'll let you know how it goes. Although we are going to Peaches, which is like fried chicken, one day this week, but you know, balance, right? I guess. Corpu's just TikToking over here. Anyway, we're putting up the Christmas tree. It's gonna go in this corner of the room because it's got, I don't know, it's like not in the way of anything. I'll show you guys as we go. So that's the tree. This came out from last year. He's like a mixture of like actual tree looking bits and then like the fake tree little, I don't know, tinsel stuff. Playing Pokemon while we put up the tree. And these are all of the goodies. Plus last year's Christmas crackers. Look, I didn't even use any of this. Anyway, we'll put it up and then we'll show you. Lights are dim. It looks even worse on camera, they're like hot and cool lights. These were from a student at school. You can't really tell. Oh, there you go, you can see on camera now. It's like a kind of like snowy Christmas scene. Really, really pretty. But yeah, very proud of our wee tree. We just need old tall corpu to come in. Hello, focus. We just need old tall corpu to come and put the star on top of the tree because we can't really reach it.
Oh, it's a bit wonky.
Let him roam free. What does it look like? That's good.
Duplina.
Ta-da!
Floppy than my pee-pee.
Oh, come on. Looks good. Beautiful. Ta-da! Now to go watch The Mandalorian. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I know it was quite short, but we didn't really get up to that much today. For it, I nearly just tripped over. For it being the first day of the month, we didn't actually do that much. But I'll show you guys my Christmas pajamas tomorrow. They actually didn't dry in time today for me to show them to you, so that kind of sucks, but it's okay. So tomorrow is Monday. When you guys are watching this, it's Monday. And I've obviously got work, and I'm going to try my best to get up to go to the gym. And I'll be able to, yeah, like I said, be able to show you my Christmas PJs because I washed them and they are not dry, so I'm just wearing like a jumper because my house is nicely air conditioned at the moment. It is kind of hot though, so I might take this off in a minute, but I did just want to sign off because sometimes I forget to finish my vlogs, but we can't afford to do that at Vlogmas, can we? If you guys have any Christmassy stuff that you'd like to see me do, any summery stuff that you'd like to see me do during Vlogmas, please do let me know. But I'm basically going to be trying to do kind of like a little, like obviously Vlogmas is daily vlogs, but I want to like show you what I eat every day, everything that's like not school. I want to try and film for you guys. I have no idea what we're eating for dinners this week. I don't really know what we're doing this week. I have my work Christmas do on Friday, which I won't be able to film, so Friday's vlog might be skimp as well, but we'll just see where this wonderful journey takes us. I do love doing Vlogmas. I think it's really fun. So yeah, I also love watching Vlogmas. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see. If you're excited for me to be doing Vlogmas, because I certainly am. I'm going to go over watching The Mandalorian. If you guys aren't watching The Mandalorian, you should watch it. Even if you're not a Star Wars fan, if you like action-y kind of shows, you should watch it. And it's got Baby Yoda. So anyway, I'm going to go. I also bought more stuff for Black Friday since I last talked to you guys. It's Cyber Monday now. We're on to a whole nother ball game. I got some Exo Beauty stuff, so I'll have to show you guys that when it arrives. It's just a whole round craziness. And I'll also show you guys what I got for Lush Christmas, and I'll show you those vlog clips because they should be on this camera somewhere. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!